Hello there, my name is Miriam, the plant lady, and today we are going to be repotting a Philodendron Purple Congo. So let's see how it goes. So for this project, we will be using some potting soil, some perlite, and some orchid bark. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I'm using a mask because one of the ingredients is perlite. So I have read that perlite is not very good for your lungs. So security is important. So this stunning plant is called the king of philodendrons and has wonderfully deep purple stems and leaves. The new growth unfurls into delicate deep burgundy colored leaves, fading to black and finally to dark rich green leaves as the plant matures. So another question that I saw online is, can Philodendron Congo take full sun? The Philodendron Rojo Congo likes moderate to bright indirect light indoors. The plant tolerates low light, while too much light, especially if it's direct sunlight, will damage the leaves with yellow burn and marks. It needs moderate amounts of water and allow the top 3 to 5 centimeters of soil to dry out between water sessions. This plant is easy to care for and it's great for beginners. Where should I put this Philodendron Congo plant? Philodendrons like a shady corner. It also enjoys a sunny spot, but not too direct. How should I water this plant? Water when the 2 top inches of soil are dry. Make sure you don't overwater this plant. Should I feed Philodendron Purple Congo? Feed once a month in spring and summer with liquid plant food. Is this plant suitable if I have pets? This is a very interesting question. So what I read is that this plant is toxic to cats and dogs. So if you have cats and dogs at home, put it in a higher place so they won't be able to reach them. Oh, look at that. So moist. Time to repot. Wow. Very tight. Until we get a bigger pot. Let's see if it fits first. Oh yeah, perfect.
Get the derecha and keep it straight. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, I can still put a little bit more soil in this area here. Just to get rid of all the air pockets that we have. And this is how I repotted this beautiful plant.